Good morning, VC. It's a wonderful Wednesday here. We're your hosts, Asher.
And I'm Brandon. We'll start with today's lunch. Today for lunch we'll be having pancake sandwich, tater tots, juice blend, strawberries and bananas, and of course a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Cale Beasley, and here are today's top 5 news stories. 78-year-old Eagle Scout was lost in California woods. He was rescued by a local Boy Scout troop. Man founding in decked-out crawl space of Oregon condo without owner's knowledge. Lego Toys unveiled its most expensive set ever, Death Star kit, to sell over $1,000. Sesame Street will stream free on YouTube in 2026. The Bluey movie will hit theaters in August 6, 2027.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Intrepid. Fearless, adventurous, often used for rhetorical or humorous effect.
The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela.
Now that we're midweek, let's hear about some of our Hornets' favorite songs that keeps us going.
Hello, my name is Brandon Kinsinger. My favorite song right now is it's probably Soda Pop from that one movie, K-Pop Demon Hunters.
My name is Logan, and my favorite song is Doot Doot.
I know he died. 6, 7.
I'm Miss Kaiser, and my favorite song is Why Can't We Be Friends by Warren.
Hi, my name is Gabby Moore, and my favorite song is You Miss My Heart by Phoebe Bridgers.
With no competitions tonight, let's take a look at the cross-country team as they prepare to run on Saturday.
My name is Joe Miller. I am a member of the cross-country team, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how everyone improves and excels throughout this semester and this season.
Hi, my name is Emily Ruffner, and I'm on girls cross country, and something I'm looking forward to this season is spending time with my friends.
Hi, I'm Kirsten Dalton. I'm on girls cross country, and I am excited to hang out with the team and doing team dinners this year.
Hi, I'm Hannah Adkins, and I'm a part of the girls cross country team, and I'm just looking forward to spending time with the people on the team and PRing.
The rain is trying to make a midweek comeback. Let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, my name's Shahasta, and here's the weather for today. Today we will have a high of 81 degrees with partly cloudy skies and the winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour, and tonight's low will be 61 degrees with a few clouds overnight.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.